I have a lot of people revert to Islam. They come, they say their shahada, and they say, you know, my mom, my dad. I say, listen, your mom, your dad may not be Muslims. Your family members may not be Muslims. You've got to be kind to them. You've got to fulfill their rights. You've got to go out of your way to ensure that you fulfill your obligation towards them, set by Allah Almighty for you, subhanallah. And a lot of the times, parents are obviously very skeptical about their children practicing, becoming Muslim, because they think, based on what they hear, that this is going to be a disaster. Not realizing that, you know what, it's actually the biggest blessing. I've had parents, non-Muslim, who've come and said, you know what, I really appreciate my son used to smoke and drink and club and so on, and he's become so clean, so pure. He comes home, he looks after me. He actually makes me breakfast sometimes. Amazing. Amazing. Well, that's what Islam is supposed to be doing for you, you know.